Hello, in this video we want to solve this solved question. We are given that x is equals to 5 minus root 5. We are asked to find the value of s squared plus 25 all over s squared. Now, since x is 5 minus root 5, s squared will just simply be what? 5 minus root 5 squared will simply be what? 5 minus root 5 multiplied by 5 minus root 5. Okay, so then you expand 5 times 5, that is, let's do it like this, 5 into 5 minus root 5, yes, then minus root 5 into 5 minus root 5. In expansion, you can do it like that. You bring out the first element here, multiply by the one in the bracket here. You know you have minus root 5 left, that is 5, this 5, multiplied by this minus root 5, the minus root 5 that you have left here, multiplied by 5 minus root 5 again. So 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times minus root 5, that's minus 5 root 5, beautiful. Then minus root 5 times 5 again, that's minus 5 root 5, beautiful. Then root 5 minus root 5 times minus root 5, that is what? Plus root 25. Okay, anyway, which is plus 5. So let's write it down. So you have 25 minus 5 root 5 minus 5 root 5. It's like saying, you know, root 5 is common to them. Root 5 is common to both, and you have minus 5 root 5. So it's like saying minus 5a minus 5a, which is minus 10a. So that what? Minus 10 root 5. Okay? That's minus 10 root 5. Then plus, what is root 5? Plus 5. I hope that is clear. So by the time you collect like terms, you have what? 25 plus 5 minus 10 root 5. And what is 25 plus 5? That's 30 minus 10 root 5. So we have gotten the value of what? Of s squared. So now, the next thing is just to find the inverse of, let's continue. Now, don't forget we are looking for what? S squared plus 25 over s squared. So now, having gotten this, you know, our s squared now is 30 minus 10 root 5. That's our s squared. So therefore 1 over s squared will be what? 1 over 30 minus 10 root 5. And you know, this is what? This is an irrational sort. So we have to rationalize by the conjugate. So now it's rationalize by the conjugate. By the conjugate, what? What's the conjugate of this sort now? You change the sign. 30 plus 10 root 5. That's the conjugate. Okay? So let's clean this. So that's the conjugate. The conjugate of it is solved with a positive sign, is negative, and vice versa. So in this case now, what next? Okay, that means we're going to have what? 1 over 30 minus 10 root 5 times 30 plus 10 root 5 all over 30 plus 10 root 5. You ask me how? Why? Fine. You know, this is an irrational sort. So, and to make it rational, you multiply both the numerator of this expression and its denominator by the conjugate. That is when you change the sign of minus to plus. That's what you do. Okay. So now 1 times the whole of this is what? 30 plus 10 root 5 all over. Now pick it one by one without wasting your time. This is a trick. Whenever you are multiplying the denominator by its conjugate, don't just waste your time. It's going to give you something like difference of 2 squares. How? 30 times 30, that's 900, minus the square of this now. 10 root 5 times 10 root 5, that's what? 100 root 25. How? You know, 10 times 10 is 100. Then root 5 times root 5 is root 25. You get it now? So minus times plus is minus. So you don't need to expand all the thing. Just multiply this side by this side and the other one by the other one. Okay? So that will give us what? That will give us 30 plus 10 root 5 all over 900, then minus 100 times, because the root of 25 is what? Is 5. So that's what? 30 plus 10 root 5 all over 900 minus, 100 times 5, that's 500. That will give us what? 400. So now 1 over s squared has given us what? 30 plus 10 root 5 all over 400. Therefore, recall, our target is to get what? Our target is to get x squared plus 25 over s squared. So don't forget, let me write our x squared somewhere. S squared is 30 minus 10 root 5. And our 1 over s squared is what? 30 plus 10 root 5 all over 400. Okay, now, very simple. Very, very simple. You see what we're going to do now. Very, very simple. Okay, now recall, we want to have what? X squared plus 25 all over s squared. Now, from here, we can write this as s squared plus 1 over s squared multiplied by 25. Yes, 25 is a numerator. You can extract it out like, this is 1 times 25 over s squared. So you can have it 1 over s squared times 25. So that means that implies 1 over s squared multiplied by 25, as this one, is what? And 1 over s squared has given us 30 plus 10 root 5 all over 400. That means multiply by what? 25. Multiply by 25. Okay? So when we multiply this by 25, we get what? What is 25 times 30? That is what? 750. You get that? I hope you get that. 25 times 3 is 75. Plus the 0 there, 750. Plus 10 root 5. I hope you understand. But be careful. You are multiplying through. So this will be wrong. 25 is multiplying everything there. Okay? You have to be careful. 750 plus 250 root 5. Yes. All over 400. Yes. Because 25, we have to multiply everything here. You are expanding, in other words. So, do we have anything common here that we can use? Well, 5 can go there, 50 can go. Yes. How do we? Okay, so we can say 50 into the. How many 50 do we get from? Do we have 50 in 75? 75 is what? 1. So it means 150. 50 in 150, that's 3. So that means 50 times 13 should give us what? Let's check. No, that is wrong. You can't get 50 from. Okay, we got 50 in 175. Okay, that's 1, remaining 15. 50 in the 150. Does that make sense at all? No, it's not. It doesn't. So we can't use 50. We can't use 50. Let's try 10. Okay, 75. This will be 10 into bracket 75 plus this will be 25 root 5. Yes, all over what? This is 400. Beautiful. So 10 here, you mean to feel 40 here. You can also have more. So that what? 75 plus 25 root 5 all over 40. 5 can also go again. Yes, 5 can go again. That means we should have used 15. Yes, 5 can go again. We have 5 into, yes, 5 into 15, yes, plus 5 root 5, beautiful, all over 40 here. Okay, so 5 here 1, 5 here 8. So we have what? 15 plus 5 root 5, 15 plus 5 root 5 all over 8. Good. So we have simplified 1 over s squared multiplied by 25, this, to get 15 plus 5 root 5 all over 8. So that has given us what? 15 plus 5 root 5 all over 8. I hope we are getting it. I hope you are following. Are you sure? Okay. Now, finally, therefore, and just put them with everything together. Put everything together now. Therefore, x squared plus 25 all over s squared, okay, will now be equals to, our s squared is what, 30 minus 10 root 5, then plus 25 over s squared. Now we have gotten that to be 15 plus 5 root 5 all over 8. So that will just simply find the LCM. So the LCM will be 8, because 1 times 8 is 8. So multiply through 8 into 30 minus 10 root 5, then plus 1. That's 1 times the whole of this, 15 plus 5 root 5. So multiply 8 by 30, that's 24, 0, that's 240, minus 80 root 5 plus 15 plus 15 plus 5 root 5 all over 8. So we collect like terms, okay? Now, 240 plus, that's our 240 plus 15. Then, let me write it here. So let me write it here. 240 plus 15, these are just ordinary numbers. The minus 80 root 5 plus 5 root 5 all over 8. Good. So 240 plus 15, that's what, 255. Then minus 80 root 5 plus 5 root 5. It's like saying minus 80a plus 5a. That's minus 75 root 5 all over 8. So do we have anything that is common? No, nothing is common. So in this case, we can't factor out anything here. We can't factor, there's nothing common between the denominator and numerator. So we can leave it like this as 255 minus 75 with 5 all over 8. So if you are watching this video for the first time, you're joining us for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to this video channel by clicking the notification button after subscribing, so that each time I upload a video, you'll be duly notified. If you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to click like, share, and comment. God bless you. Bye.